As you guys can see, a lot of times I just keep my wine out there just in case, you know, I need to pop a new bottle. What's up, babes? It's Curly to Victoria. I am so sorry about this lighting. I was trying my hardest to just give you guys the best lighting. It is natural outside lighting, but it's just, give me a second. So I'm coming to you guys with another like home decor haul. You guys know I'm big on home decor. So I do want to show you guys a few pieces that I've gotten. And yeah, I'm just gonna try to cozy them into my space. However, today is the weekend, it's Friday. Your girl, you know, spends time cleaning up, doing homework, working on business, etc., etc. I love weekend cleaning because it's like, it gives me extra time to move all of my stuff out of the way so that I can sweep and mop. You guys know I'm big on moving everything out the way to sweep and mop. So today, I picked up these gorgeous vases, y'all. Okay, gorgeous vases. Obviously, if I'm telling you guys about them, I'm just gonna tell you they came from Kirkland's, and pretty much, baby, my vases are, the girl was like, I think one will be nice to the house. And I'm like, because, you know, I looked at them, I was like, I'm attracted to those vases and I need some of these, right? I was describing these to her and she's like, you mean like those? And I'm like, exactly what I mean. So I picked up the vase. I picked up the other vase. I did get discounts. I think the discount in the store was 20%. But I picked up one and I'm like, I need two. I just feel like this is such a vibe to where I need two of them. I don't need one, I need two. I need it, you know, to just do what I needed to do. So pretty much, and then these are like 20 something bucks a piece. So pretty much, I say pretty much one more time. I picked these up and y'all, I'm in love. I haven't even like, I've been sweeping and mopping and stuff like that. So my floor is now dry. I have to put my carpet back down. But I am so in love. I don't think you guys understand. Like, these babes are so gorgeous. And I haven't even put like my centerpiece back down on the floor. Everything's like spread out. But you guys know I'm big on home decor. I love, love, love home decor. And it's lit, sis. It's lit. So these, obviously, I'm gonna have to put something in here. I was thinking about some styrofoam blocks, because if I put some styrofoam blocks in here, I could actually take these and I could separate them and I can have them kind of spread out a little bit but stay together, and just be a vibe, and I can bring them a little higher than what they're initially sitting. But I'm gonna have to go buy that, or I'll probably use like some, you know, like the paper that they stuff in shoe boxes. I probably will put that in here, but toward the top, I'm gonna have to get something to where I could put the bottom pieces into it so that they can nicely like chill in here. So my pampas grass can be like vibing, you feel me? So yeah, super in love. These are my new babes. I just felt like I had to show you guys. What else? I felt like, was there something else home decor that I picked up today? No, I don't think I picked up anything else home decor. Oh, not today. But I did pick up my pumpkins, which I'm going to show you guys really quickly. Give me a second. So I picked up some fall pumpkins, which I have some things I need to do with these. Wasn't intentional that I picked these up initially, but hey, whatever. And then I picked up this huge like pumpkin, which is like, feels like porcelain, and yeah. So I'm gonna go put it down so I don't break it. But yeah, so moral of the story, it's lit. So these were my pickups today. I'm super in love. I'm not returning. You know how you have to see like, does this go for my house? It's gonna go. It does go. I love them. It's a vibe. I'm gonna put my white rug back down soon. So if you can imagine, just let me put it down now so y'all can see how a white rug is gonna bring it out. Sis, if you have light floor, like if you have dark floors, sometimes you want to put down a white mat or something to bring out the floors. You want to put something that'll bring out. If you have lighter floors in your home or your apartment or your condo or something like that, lighter floors, some people go with a darker rug just to make a contrast, but I think light white wash like flooring looks excellent with white. So if you are big on opening up your space, if you want, you know, obviously the colors on my walls, I just never, you know, have painted them since the whole time I've been living here. However, if it was to be redone, it would more than likely be white, like completely white. But to just give it an open airy, or it will be like a light gray that looks white or something like that to make it more airy. But all of my decor is gray, whites, you know, neutral, like tan or gold. So there's accents of, so yeah, in order to really, really like rock out, I think a nice white rug always does the job for me. So I'm gonna put my rug down so y'all can kind of see. I don't know where these are going exactly yet in the house, but I still want to put the white rug down so you can see. There's a possibility that these can go in the bedroom because the room walls are more like white in there. And I do have big plant out here, but also it's like I have white, a white comforter, so I think this will look really nice as well. So I'm gonna be rearranging a lot of things, and you guys know, like just minimalizing and things like that. So I'm gonna put this rug down so you guys can see how it all goes back together, so you can see how it's gonna come together. As you guys can see, a lot of times I just keep my wine out there just in case, you know, I need to pop a new bottle. You have the lighter fluid, all this. You see the two cup holders that match, like, then you see the gray here. The pumpkin, I might actually leave as a side piece on the, the side piece. It'll either be up here or I will put it somewhere down here, like in one of my cubbies. I'm not exactly sure yet, but yeah, just want you guys to really focus on this area. Just look how gorgeous. These are like freaking beautiful, but you see how it like cuts into my gray accents, and look at my couch over there and stuff like that. And even though I still keep a gold vibe, like you guys can see my chairs over there, the gold ones, you can see how there's gold, there's black, it's that luxurious vibe, but you still see that I incorporate golds with grays, and it's all in how you do it and how you know, make things happen. So that's that. It's freaking amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.
It's only 11 something.